July 2012. This is the Cortlandt NY project. Garrison Jackson is our client, and this is year 5 of this project, and it seems like after picking up over 4 feet of depth that this lake is very much responding to our biological process and to the continuum of the Clean-Flo process. The water looks fantastic. We've introduced new algae, which is biogenic silica, and produced an onset diatom bloom, and we've added a significant amount of 10 pounds thus far of food-grade enzymes, freeze-dried bacteria, aerobic bacteria, and 5 gallons of enzymes and 3 gallons of light care dosing each week. And I'm going to suggest that we put in 100 submerged coral, and I think that this lake is responding very well. We had significant algae bloom about 4 weeks ago, and after adding a significant amount of biological additives, including liquid lake care and enzymes from Clean-Flo, I also added 2 kilograms of new algae, biogenic silica, which tinted the water slight brown. That tells me that we had a rapid onset of diatom blooms. And as you can see now, almost 3-4 weeks later, that the pond is virtually free, absolutely free of algae. We've got a little bit of duckweed coming in now. That's okay. But by and large, the water looks fantastic. I couldn't be happier. Could not be happier. And the clients are as well. Again, this is mid-July 2012. This time, a few years ago, when we started this project, you could almost not navigate this water because of the filamentous hair algae. As you can see now, the water looks great. As I said as well, the depth has increased at least 4 feet.